What is external CSS? Well, external CSS allows us to create CSS styles in separate CSS file, by the way that is text file with .css extension. So we can link that external CSS file with some HTML document. So all styles from external CSS file will be available to use inside of that HTML document. So to link external CSS file, we need to use a link HTML tag inside of head in our HTML document. So link HTML tag contains type HTML attribute, where we need to set what is the type of file that we want to link. So in our case, that is text CSS file. And also href attribute, where we need to set name of the file and the location of that file that we want to link with our HTML document. So once when we link that external CSS file, all CSS styles from that file will be available to use inside of our HTML document.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.